Mama, do you know Chhota Bheem's new movie is coming?
Which one?
Kung Fu the Maga. I really want to watch it. And do you know Chhota Bheem gets power when he eats ladoos. Even I want to eat ladoos. Can you make them for me?
Sure, baby. Sparsh wants to have laddus today to get power like Chhota Bheem. So today I'll be making healthy green Moong Dal Ladoos. These laddus are packed with proteins and are super simple to make. You just need 15 minutes to prepare these yummy nutritious laddus. So let's see how to prepare it. Before moving to the recipe, please subscribe to Healthy Kadai if you are new to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new recipes. To prepare laddus, we'll be using half a cup of green moong dal, half a cup of gur or jaggery. You can increase the quantity of gur as per the sweetness desired. 2 tablespoons of Desi ghee, few cashew nuts and cardamom powder. To begin with, we need to dry roast green gram in a pan over medium heat. Usually, yellow moong dal laddus take a lot of time to prepare, but these laddus are quick and instant ones. So continue to roast the dal on medium heat until it turns little reddish brown like this. At this stage, we'll switch off the flame and we'll cool down the gram dal completely. Then we need to grind green gram in a mixer grinder jar, but before that, ensure that dal is completely cool. So we'll transfer roasted green gram in it. Into this, we'll add jaggery. You can increase the quantity of jaggery as per the sweetness desired. Add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 teaspoon of cashew nuts. You can add any other nuts of your choice. And then we need to simply grind it to form a coarse powder. Our powder is ready. So this is the easiest way to prepare this material. No need to melt the jaggery separately. Just grind everything together. So we'll transfer all the contents in a mixing bowl. In order to bind the laddus, we'll add Desi ghee in it. Simply mix everything nicely till we are able to bind the mixture to prepare laddus. One can add approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of Desi ghee in it. And our mixture is ready. Now we have to prepare laddus using it. If you feel that the laddus are still not holding its shape, then one can also add 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk in it. Likewise, we'll prepare all the dal laddus. Our healthy and nutritious moong dal laddus are ready. These are pound pack laddus and these laddus taste wonderful. Your kids will really love it. So store these laddus in an airtight container and you can enjoy these laddus for as long as 10 to 15 days. So Sparsh, your laddus are ready. Oh, Chhota Bheem?
Laddus.
Have laddus.
Yummy. I must eat them.
Sure. How is it?
Very yummy.
Sparsh like these laddus. So do try out this recipe and let me know how does it turn out for you.
And don't forget to watch the new movie Kung Fu the Maga, which is releasing on 10th
May.
I will go to watch. You also go.
My new movie is coming on May 10th. Please watch it in theatres near you.
I hope you liked watching our today's video. Please like our video, share our video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such interesting and healthy recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy. Bye.